Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we'll talk about customizing media. In media, we'll be talking about videos and audio clips, and we'll try to insert some slides from another presentation. So let's open presentations, and then we'll try to copy and paste the slides from one presentation to another, and then we'll try to find another method that we can use to transfer slides from one presentation to another presentation. So let me open a slide. For example, we have a CF slide. I can just make it okay. Now I want to transfer the slides from this area, from this presentation to this presentation. And this is the third. In our service, we have deliveries, and deliveries available here. So I want to transfer this slides. One way is copy and paste. So I can copy this slide, Control C. Okay, I can click here in this slide and I can paste. Oops. Maybe I can Control V. Now I can do copy, Control C, and then I can do Control V. Today something went wrong, huh? So I can copy and then I can paste. Okay, I can use Control V to paste the slide or directly from here. Okay, I had an issue with the copy actually. Now I can select all of them. For example, I need all these four. So shift and click will help you. And I can say Control C for the copy, and I can come here and I can paste. Okay. Now if you see here, we are having a different background on this side, on the left side, and different background on the right side. But when you copy the different background slides, when they come here, they just opted the design which is available in this presentation, So this is one way. Now I have another way that I can insert the slides from another PowerPoint presentation. So let me try that. I can do the undo part. Okay, so I can close this one. So now we can use another method that can help us in transferring the slides. So one was copy paste that we have seen now, and now I can go for the new slides. I can click on the reuse slide. Okay, now in this one I can browse the files. In this one I need the CF sales. Okay, so I can open. Now this is available here now. So if I click on the third slide and I click on the delivery, so it will go under the third slide. And you see, it opted the same design and theme and everything from this presentation. Similarly, I can add all of these. So I can click this one, click, and click. So just by clicking, I transferred all my slides from another presentation to this presentation. So this is one way that we can use. Okay, let's go for another slide and see what we have. This was the reuse that we have done now. Okay, we reuse the slides. We use this method. Now I want to insert a video on the slide number 2. Okay, so and then we'll play the video as well. So let's go to the slide. So I have to go to slide number 2. In this, I want to insert a video. Okay, click on this icon and then work offline. So we have a video like vases, and then I can just insert and I play. Now during the play you can hear some sounds. Okay, so you can hear some sounds. That's what we did now. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll mute the volume because I don't want that people should hear the voice which is in the background. So I don't want that. So let's go and change the video tool playback, and we'll make it start automatically, and then volume is mute. So we need to do the two playback, video tools playback, start automatically, okay, and the volume is mute. There you go. Let's see the effect of this one. So I can press Shift F5. If you just want to animate this one, you have to click Shift F5. If you press F5, it will start from the slide number 1. So I'm on the slide number 2 and I just want to start from slide number 2. So I have to say Shift F5. There you go. Now the video is moving automatically. Video started automatically and there is no voice because the volume is mute. Okay, great. So we are done with this part. Now I can go to presentations. We have to trim the video clip. Okay, so we have like 24 seconds video clip. I want to trim it to 19 seconds, and from the beginning I want to trim the first 3 seconds. Okay, so let's go and trim the video. So I can click on that, go to the playback. We have a trim video. Okay, so click on that. Now I can see the red button. I can move it to 19. Okay, I don't want this last part. Okay, so what I can do is I can just move it, and you see here is gone. So I can just move to the 19. Even I can type here. Okay, I can say 1900. Similarly, from here I can move the third one, 3 seconds from here, the first 3 seconds, because there you go. So I can just move 0. Click OK. So I trim the first 3 seconds and the last 5 seconds. So this is how we did that. Now I can go to the slides. Now I want to set the poster, frame poster. Any frame that is available on the 14 seconds, I would like to make it a poster frame. Okay, so let's go back. Now let me see, if I move my cursor here, I can see the seconds and minutes. So on the 14 seconds, there you go. This 14 seconds I clicked. This is what I want to be the the image of the video before starting. So you will see this image. So I can click on the format, I can click on the poster frame, and then I can click current frame. So the current frame is set. Now whenever the video is off, you will see this one, not the white one, the beginning one. So when I'll play, you will see it start from the beginning. There's a white flower, but this is not my poster frame. So it will take me to until the last one. Okay, so it's reaching to this part. Now I can go to the next slide. We have to add the effect. Okay, we have to add the effect for the metal frame. Okay, this is what we need to do, and we have to set the reflection as well. So let's go. We'll go for the format tab. Okay, I'll click on the more in the video style groups. So let's see. In the video format, in the video style group, I can click on the metal frame. This is the last one. I think this is the metal frame. Now you can see the metal frame here. Okay, now similarly I can add the effect for my reflection. Now there is no reflection, and now if you see, I got some reflection at the bottom. Now I got half reflection at the bottom, and now I can see full reflection on the bottom. Okay, so this is my reflection. I can move the slide up. If you use the shift and move up, it is going in a jumping fashion, make your life easy. So this is how you can use the reflection, and you can use the metal frame as a. So let's now we have to insert a sound clip on the slide number 1. Okay, and then we'll try to make it on click, on demand. So on the slide number 1, I have to go insert and insert an audio clip, and that is from I can pick the path, this one. So I can bring it down, and now if I just play, you can see I have to make it on click. Okay, maybe the volume is low, I can do that. And let me see what else we have. On click, and that's it. So let me try. Play.
Welcome to Classic Flowers Incorporated.
Very good. Now we can go for the next slide. On the next slide, we will add a sound clip, okay, and then we will choose any option from the start arrow. We'll choose automatically, and then we'll make the volume low, and then we will do all these 3 options. Okay. Now, on this one, I want to add voice clip. I don't have the music clip, okay, but I do have some voice files. So maybe we'll go with this voice file. This is one word in Arabic, Quranic word, so we can just use it for learning purposes. I want to play automatically. I want to make the volume low. I want to play cross slide, loop until stop, and click on the hide button. Okay, I set up all the options. Now let's shift F5. By the way, I can click this one. This should also start from the same slide. Let's try. Yeah. But you see, is playing the video, but there's no sound. Let me click.
وَيُقِيمُونَ
Now, when I clicked, it played. And you remember, we set the option for this one that we want to play. We want to play automatically. You see that? We'll fix this issue on the next slide, inshallah. So let's go and try next slide. Now we'll see the sound clip animation categories. So let's see. So this is my sound clip. Okay, I selected this sound clip. I can go for the animation. You will see some new tabs. You see that? New animation styles. So this is the play one that we are using. And similarly, if I click on the video, you will see I got some new multiple play and this. So we have new animation style for the video and for the audio. And by the way, did you see the 0? Inshallah, we'll be working on these zeros as well very soon now. Let's see. So this was the sound clip. We have noticed that new media categories is available in the gallery. And similarly for the sound clip, now I'll go for the slide number 2, and we have already seen that the video has a animation multiple is selected, and we have the 0 and after previous. So we'll fix this one. We'll work on this one to make sure that our videos are fine. Now if you see here, this is 0, and this 0 means that it will start working together. As soon as you are on this slide during the slideshow, it will start playing. And now if I click on this one is also after play. You know, after previous is not working, so I can say with previous. So these are 2 now. So with previous, it should play as well as it should play the sound as well at the same time. Let me see this slide. Okay, I can click on this button. You see that? You can hear that now. The voice and this one is played together. Now Let's go for the next slide. That's it for today. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we'll talk about the creating a table, formatting a table, then we'll try to create and format charts, and we'll work on the second animation, and we'll be working on animation speed as well. So let's say kafara majlis, subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.